Good day, everyone. I am Ogechi. I want to welcome you to Ogechi's Corner, where mathematics is discussed. Today, we shall be treating indices, powers, as it is also known for. Before indices is introduced to a learner, the learner should be very familiar with his or her multiplications. Indices is all about multiplications. A learner who is not good with multiplications can never be able to understand this aspect of mathematics. These are the ingredients that make up indices, or power as a topic. For example, when you have a written 4 with a little 2 written at the top of the written 4, it is the same as 4 raised to power 2. The 2, which is the little 2 at the top right of the written 4, is the power or index. It could also be called 4 squared. The same goes for a written number 2, with a little 3 at the top right of the written number 2. It is the same as 2 raised to power 3 or 2 cubed. Okay, let us attempt a question on indices. Example 1. Find the values of these. 3 raised to power 2, which is written 3 with a little 2 at the top right. It is the same as 3 times 3. That is 3 multiplying itself. 3 multiplying itself once, which is the same as 3 times 3, which equals 9. This is totally different from 3 times 2, which is the same as 3 plus 3. 3 times 2 is adding up 3 to itself, which is 3 plus 3, which has a value of 6. All right. 2 raised to power 6 is the same as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which is 2 multiplying itself in 6 places, which also gives a value of 64. Number 3, 7 raised to power 3. That is 7, number 7, with a little 3 at the top right of the written number 7. It is the same as 7 times 7 times 7. That is 7 in multiplying itself in 3 places, which gives a value of 343. All right. The second example. Write these in index form. Write these in index form. 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. That is 4 multiplying itself in 4 places. The value in indices is 4 raised to power 4. That is 4, a written number 4, with a little 4 written at the top right of the number 4. Number 2. Write in index form 3 raised to power 2 times 3 raised to power 2 times 3 raised to power 3. Now, in its index form, it is written as 3 raised to power 7. 3 raised to power 7. Okay, I hope you can now understand why I said earlier that the knowledge of multiplication is paramount for a learner who will solve exercises and indices. All right, I will want you listening out there to attempt these questions. And I want you to give your answers on our YouTube channel as comments. The question says, write these in index form. Number 1, 6 times 6 times 6. Remember the question, write in index form. 6 times 6 times 6. Number 2, write in index form. 2 raised to power 2 times 2 raised to power 2 times 3 raised to power 2 times 3 raised to power 2. Write in index form. Then the second part of the question says, find the value of this. I want you to find the values of 4 raised to power 3, 8 raised to power 4, and 7 raised to power 5. Give your answers and submit on our YouTube channel as a comment. I think I'll stop here today. Until I come your way next time, I remain Ogechi. I'll say bye-bye.